Measurements of oscillation parameters are performed counting number of neutrino-induced events. In accelerator-based experiments, cross-sections and neutrino flux are investigated at near detectors. Neutrino electron scattering as a process free from nuclear physics provides a standard candle to constrain the initial flux. Next generation of experiments calls for a percent level theoretical prediction. We determine the fermion effective field theory matching to the standard model at electroweak scale with the subsequent running down to low energies. Electroweak physics is included in Wilson coefficients. In our effective field theory, there are just two virtual QED corrections. The kinematics of neutrino electron scattering is suppressed by electron mass. Therefore, contribution of light quarks require a non-perturbative treatment. We relate this correction to current correlators. Assuming SUC flavor symmetry, we express charge as a spin correlator in terms of charge 1 related to the experimental data. To make a percent level prediction, we account also for the radiation of one real photon. We evaluate analytically various distributions and spectra, both for massive and massless electrons. We compare energy spectra with respect to electron energy and to the sum of electron and photon energy. One has to be careful which radiative correction to use, especially applying experimental cuts. Radiative corrections can bias the reconstruction of neutrino energy on event-by-event basis by a few percent. We present a total cross-section quantifying errors for the first time. The error is given mainly by hadronic contributions, and it is of the same order as its Young statistical precision. Thanks for your attention.